Minister Nongthombam BIREN Singh today inaugurated development of eco-tourism project at Cherauching, Thangmaiband, Imphal West. The event was organized under the Ministry of Development of Northeast Region donor NLCPR project. Thangmaiband MLA KH Joy Kishan, Deputy Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Kongkham Ravindra Singh, Tourism Minister O Lukhoi and CAF and PD Minister Shaita Barta, Chief Secretary of Manipur Dr. Rajesh Kumar and other top officials were also present during the inaugural function. The Election Commission of India will hold a crucial meeting today to finalize the schedule for the upcoming polls to 4 states, West Bengal, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and 1 union territory, Puducherry. In the meeting, to be chaired by Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora, deployment of CRPF and number of sensitive booths in each state will also be discussed, a media report said. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Election Commission will likely hold elections in Bengal in 7-8 phases. By February 25, at least 125 companies of Central Security Forces will arrive in the state to maintain law and order during the election campaign. The early dispatch of Central Forces has taken the state administration by surprise. Myanmar's military-appointed foreign minister traveled to Thailand today, a Thai government source said, as Myanmar's neighbors intensified efforts to resolve a crisis that began when its army seized power in the February 1 coup. Reuters report the minister, Wuna Maung Luing, arrived for talks on diplomatic efforts by the Association of Southeast Asian Nations as opponents of the coup took to the streets again in Myanmar. Indonesia has taken the lead in efforts to steer a path out of the crisis with the help of other Southeast Asian countries, but its plans appeared to falter earlier today with the scrapping of a proposed trip to Myanmar by its foreign minister. India's coronavirus tally surged to 1,10,30,176, while the active caseload fell below the 1.5 lakh mark and is pegged at 1,46,907, the Union Health Ministry said today. A media report said, meanwhile, India's daily positivity rate remains below 3%, the ministry said yesterday. The death toll due to the novel coronavirus infection stands at 1,56,567 and 1,07,26,702 people have so far been cured and discharged. Manipur's COVID-19 case count stands at 29,243 after 3 new cases were reported in the last 24 hours as per the data from the State COVID-19 Command Control Room. The fresh cases were reported from Imphal West and Chandel districts. The state's death toll stands at 373 with no fatality reported since the last few days. The cumulative number of active cases is 36 while the recovery cases reached 28,834. The state's recovery rate is 98.60% as of 11 a.m. today. A DMC worker was shot dead and 3 others were injured in a bomb attack in Paschim Medinipur district of Port-bound West Bengal last night. The deceased has been identified as Suvik Dolai. The injured have been admitted to Midnapur Medical College Hospital. The 4 Trinamool workers were sitting on the roadside in Makrampur under Narayangarh police station area where they were attacked by bike-borne assailants. 15-time major champion Tiger Woods suffered serious injuries to both his legs after his car flew off the road and flipped several times last morning near Los Angeles in a crash he was very fortunate to survive, law enforcement officials who found the U.S. Golf Legion said. According to media reports, the officials also confirmed that Woods did not appear to be under the influence of drugs or alcohol and that he underwent surgery after the rollover accident, said Los Angeles County Sheriff Alex Villanueva.